Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about logical operators in Python. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first we have to create the file. So save it and go to the documents and you'll be having Python programs folder. And here you have to create the logical operators dot py dot py. So here we have to write the first one is and operator and operator. Right? So the first one is an operator. So for example, we are having x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. And I'll write x is greater than 4 and and x is less than 10. Right? So we are having here two conditions. X is greater than 4 and x is less than 10. Right? So the first condition is x is greater than 4, right? X is greater than 4. So 5 is greater than 4. So this condition is satisfied. And we are having another condition. X is less than 10. So 5 is less than 10. So this condition also satisfied. So both the conditions are satisfied. Let's see what we'll get at the output. See, we got true, true. So in the end condition, both the conditions have to be satisfied. Then only it will give true. It will give true. If one of the conditions failed, if one of the conditions failed, then it will give false. For example, here I'll give x is greater than 6. X is greater than 6. No, right? 5 is greater than 6. No, right? So then it will give error. Sorry, false. It will give false. I hope you understand. The AND operator will have to satisfy both the conditions in between AND, right? I hope you understand the AND operator. Both the conditions has to be satisfied. Then only it will return true, or otherwise it will return false. And we are having the next one is OR operator. OR operator. So in OR operator, let's give, for example, I will give y is equal to y is equal to 5, and I'm writing print y is greater than 2 or greater than 6, or y is less than 10. So I have given y is greater than 6 or y is less than 10. So y is greater than 6. No, right? This condition failed. Y is less than 10. Y is less than 10. Yes, it is less than 10. So here the one condition is satisfied and the other condition is not satisfied, right? So in the OR case, either of the conditions has to be satisfied. In OR case, either of the condition has to be satisfied, which means in these both conditions, one has to be satisfied. It's enough. It's enough for the OR. Then it will return true. Just click on F5 and click on OK. Then see, we got true. We got true. So this is all about OR operator. This is all about OR operator. So either of the condition has to be satisfied. If both the conditions are not satisfying, like this, this one is also not satisfying, then it will return false, right? Then it will return false. So this is OR operator. And the next one is not operator, not operator. So here we got true, right? We got true. We got true. But if I want to change the Boolean value true to false, what you have to write is just you have to write print. Just I will just copy this thing. I'll just copy this thing and I'll paste it here. And I will just include not operator inside it, right? I'll just include dot operator. So this statement will give you true. That's okay, fine. And I'm changing the true value to the false by using this not operator. So it will reverse the Boolean value. It will reverse the Boolean value. I hope you understand. Let's run this program. See, it reverses the true value, right? The first value is true, right? See, here the value is true, right? See here, the second one is true. So the same thing I have included here, but I have included the not operator inside it, and I am changing the Boolean value true, false to false. So this is all about logical operators in Python. I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. But then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos on the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.